Hey everybody, what's up? I am Brad Hussey, and this is the Art Business of Craft Web Design, where we talk, learn, and play all things web design. And today, this is just a test video. I'm just going to test my new setup. I reconfigured Ecamm, and I want to be able to shoot videos on the fly without having to go into a video editor and do all of that sort of stuff and editing. And I won't end up publishing that way. So what I want to try and do is make it so that I can just record a video on the fly using Ecamm and all the cool transitions and lower thirds and effects with hotkeys. And I have an Elgato Stream Deck coming soon where I can just press some buttons to help kind of record and produce video on the fly and then instantly upload to YouTube so that I'm not messing around. And this is going to help me with recording video, doing live streams, my weekly office hours, and it's also going to help me with creating course videos and any other training that I want to do, whether it's live or recorded. And so I think this is pretty cool. I'm just going to show you around kind of what I have here. So right here is just kind of my, I got the intro bumper as you just saw at the beginning. I got that timer that you just saw, and then right here is the lower third that animates in using the branding that I'm establishing now. And then if I just want to switch to a camera, I could switch to that just like this. No background music or anything, just me on the camera. And then what I would do is if I wanted to flip in a lower third, I could do just this. Just throw that in there. So maybe at the end of a video, so if I said something like, let's go back here. I said, well, this has been a great live stream or video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. And I've been Brad Hussey. This is the Art Business of Craft Web Design, and I'll catch you next time. And then I would flip to the outro screen. I also have just kind of my phone set up as a separate camera wirelessly, and I can do silly things like this. I call this the dilly cam or the dog cam. And I would just kind of call my dog out like, hey, Delilah, what's up? What you doing? What you doing? Go back. Go to bed. Go to bed. Rejected. Wah, wah. Wrong sound effect. All right, and then there's one more quick thing. I can share my screen, and it's this cool effect like this where it switches the camera again. It shows my screen, all in these cool little graphics. And yeah, that's about it. So then look forward to some really awesome high quality videos here starting immediately on YouTube and in my live streams. I'm really excited about this. So I've been Brad Hussey, and this is the Art Business of Craft Web Design, and we'll catch you in the next one.